the back that cannot hear me, I love my RUNCL products. When I say that, I've got 2 pairs of their waders. I've got, oh good Lord, we had a rod set up from them. We've got the Merced reel and the RUNCL reel. The box is back there because I'm using the reels. So next up is going to be the RUNCL Baelish. Now this is the RUNCL Baelish 2000, and I am going to go ahead and show it here just so they can see how it looks on the camera. Hopefully it's showing up okay. So the gear ratio on the Baelish 2000, gear ratio of a 5.2 to 1, 5+1 ball bearings. The line capacity, now I got the 2000. The line capacity for the 2000, it was set for 8 and 10 pound line, 270 yards to 205 yards. They do have the Baelish 3000, which is for the larger size fish. Most of you guys already know the size of the fish I catch. I have not caught a bass over 5 pounds since December of 2010. And then I don't catfish anymore, so if I'm looking for something that's long striper or something along those lines. So for this rod, or for this reel, I'm sorry, for this reel, I'm using this for bass, crappie, brim, sunfish, panfish, trout. And so, with no further ado, the RUNCL Baelish 2000. So definitely a fan. Love the look. The color scheme was cool. I'm a fan of the color scheme. And we'll go ahead and tighten this up because this is going on a rod tonight. Or maybe I'll put this one. I'll do a whole video on putting this on a rod, how to line it up. I've got the we've got the Placino reel. I don't know what you call it, but it's to put the line on the reel. Spooler, the line spooler. Wow. So with the RUNCL 2000, once again, I like the colors. I'm just a fan of the colors, and it's I don't have the blue shirt on, but yeah, it almost matches the turquoise for the shirt. So you get the RUNCL Dear Valued Customer. Thank you for choosing RUNCL. Born to Win RUNCL sticker. That's actually my first RUNCL sticker, so cool. I like that. And then on all of the reels they send out, they do give you the diagram for the entire reel and all of the parts, so you actually can go ahead and replace anything you need to. They are made to last, and they are made to be repaired. And then the RUNCL spinning reel instruction manual for those of you and myself when I first started who don't know how to go ahead and set a rod and reel up. They do give you a handy dandy little diagram to put the reel together. And all these products, guys, once again, all these products, let me know if you have an interest in picking them up. I can generate a link for you. I can put that out there. I can share that with you. I do get a commission on some of the products, not all of the products. And those commissions that we make go back into the Your Outdoor Adventures coffer for giveaways, events, and other little projects that we'll be working on. And get this back in there. Okay, there. Okay, so we're going to spend a half an hour getting the reel back in the box because now my hands and arms and the reel want to be special. Wow, that is hilarious.